Buenos dias. It's Fresh Cash Ducking Friday. I love Fresh Cash Friday. Something about it. I always come here, I say how I love it. I don't know why. I just love it so much. I know it's the weekend. Everybody's going to be like, I know it's everybody loves the weekend, right? Well, it's more than just that. I think it has to do with the fact that when you're green, you can come out, walk, you did your job. The week is done. You can now relax because trading, even though it's not a very physical job, it is a very mental job. So being able to kind of step back and take a look at what happened during the week, analyze yourself, learn, that excites me. So let's break it down quickly because it is a big data day. There's a lot of volatility and there's a lot of moves that are going to be potentially happening. I kind of skipped on this 5900 back long here just because. So let me kind of catch you up to speed with how I've done from the open after the long weekend we had. So yesterday I pulled off two long trades. Both were losses, and again, everything is timestamp. Everything is there. If you do want to know more, well, then you can join the community. It is free. But there's a whole point of this whole thing. So there's two losses I took last night. Okay, that's negative 6 points. I got the entries here and exits. Now today into the numbers, I was long because I thought we would rally. It is what it is. Sometimes a lot of the times it'll just go. Point is simple. I thought we would rally. I was long from the 45.25 here, and then I ended up marketing out here at the 44. Once I saw that candle, it was either gonna go straight green or it was gonna go straight red in my thought process. So as soon as I saw that candle print to red, it pretty much opened up. We closed here, we opened up, and we start dipping. I marketed out instantly. So I took about a point, 1 point loss there. So up until this point, I'm down around 7 points on the day. All right, just follow along. That's the third trade now from yesterday's open. So we come back here, we see the dip, I see the dip, and then what do I see here? I see a nice good old trap to the good old downside here. I take the long there at the 5900. I do have everything recorded because it was amazing to see that drop. I was amazed at how fast we redumped. Okay, so it looks pretty cool on the video. So anyways, when it dumped, I get long there at the 5900, and then I end up taking profit back on up here at the 1650 for a nice 16-point push. And then now I'm just here waiting because I already rode this whole move back on up technically. So what I want to point out here is that now I'm in the green about 9 points. Well, yes, it's not, nothing phenomenal, right? Nothing that's going to blow you out of the water. But what the main lesson here is that when you know that you have your strategy check and in place, ultimately in the end, you will win. Well, yes, of course, you don't want to be taking as much losses as perhaps I took from yesterday to today. I took 3 losses, 1 winner. That's not necessarily a good winning ratio. But at the end of the day, what I can tell you is that I've managed my risk, meaning my risk has been small on my losers, and on my winner, it has been much larger. And in the end, that will lead to profitability. So that's kind of the key takeaway with the whole storyline here, that even though you might take those little losses, it's okay. You know what I mean? It's okay when your strategy is in check. You'll be a winner in the end. So let's get into the real numbers now. We just got this 5900 long here. I was going to take it, but I'm like, I don't know. I already kind of took this 5900 to the 16. And there's two key levels here for me to be watching right now. And I'm going to highlight it right here. So we got 27.25, which was a previous all-time high here. And we have, I would argue, around 24 area. This was the major level of support. This is a major key level that we do not want to be losing. Okay, so because we lost it, we are now essentially downtrending. And what's the job for the bears? They only have really one job, and their job is very simple. Make sure that no matter what pops come up here, they need to hold this price below 24.28 level. They need to make sure, even if we get a little wick, they need to make sure that it's a quick wick. It could be 5 points. It doesn't matter, because that would be another trap to the upside there. It could be 5 points. It really doesn't matter. The point is simple. What they do not want is to see price basically do something like this. If they do something like this, they know this thing is done. Like their chances of being bearish is completely gone. Therefore, What am I thinking? Well, I'm thinking that, if we can continue to push how we're pushing, well, perhaps they could be a good short here. Okay, so this could be a good short entry for me, looking for the continuation back on down, and then looking for the breakdown of 5,900 ultimately. Now, is that what's going to happen? I don't know. But if we are downtrending, that is what is going to happen. So if you're feeling bearish, you're feeling bullish, you do not take that. Like you want to short, that's probably an area where I would short. I would not be shorting into, this kind of trend line breaks that we already had a few of them here, or bear flags, whatever, right? You do not want to be shorting those, in my opinion. Again, this is not financial advice. This is only entertainment purposes only. But what I'm saying is this is the only level of resistance that I'm really willing to short. And therefore, I'll be waiting. That's the bearish case. Now, the bullish case is a very simple one. This is the one we broke down. This is the major level we broke down. If we can continue to push back up, turn it into support, we likely rally, and we will rally so hard that I'm even willing to put it here that we're almost going to those highs. And that's just what I think. I mean, I don't know. You call me crazy, whatever, but that's just what I think. Because we have not trapped to the upside any time. Look at this. I want to show you. So, besides from the 8th, okay, we kind of have a little trap with the 65 there, but nothing really above there. Like, nothing above really testing 82. Traps are to the downside right now. I don't know how much more specific I can be. I can give you, a lot of technical perspectives on my end, a lot of technical things, but in the end, it doesn't matter. In the end, what matters is price. We recovered 28. Who cares how high it goes? I'm going to be thinking back long. Below that 28, I'm thinking short. Right now, we are on short bear territory. The bears are chewing their little gummy bears. The bears have the ball. So it's kind of that. I mean, I think it's that simple for me. That's it. We can now just sit here and wait for the market to open. Let me see if there's any more numbers. Are there more numbers? I don't know. I don't think so. Let me find out. Let's check together. All right, numbers. We had a lot of numbers at 8:30. Unemployment rate. See, there you go. Unemployment rate was 4.1. They were expecting 4.2. So the numbers were better than anticipated. That's a good thing, right? The government's gonna go all over that. The fact that the unemployment rate is lower than expected, that means that the economy is likelihood strong. That means that more people have jobs than they thought, and therefore that would be a good thing. And what does the market do? It dumps, because at the end of the day, the market traps. It's a massive trap zone. If you go by the news, if you had bought that good report, you would have been destroyed. I did, but I took myself out. Okay, it was a 1-point loss. But what I'm trying to say here is numbers are kind of irrelevant in the sense of making money in the marketplace. I'm not saying that they're relevant to the economy, that they're relevant to overall where the market will go. Yes, these are good numbers. So I guess the market will probably reclaim 28 and then make a new high, or go somewhere near the highs. But again, before it does that, it needs to trap. And it looks like a fucking trap to me. But anyways, for now, the bears have the ball. Price is king. Numbers were good, market dumps. When the numbers are bad, the market pumps. That's why I don't know. I don't look at them anymore. So we got numbers coming up in 43 minutes or 10 o'clock. We have Michigan consumer expectations, 2-star rating numbers. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 numbers expected in 45 minutes. So that could be wild. So all right. Well, there you have it. You got those numbers? Take it easy. All right, $1 million question. Are the Bears going to be able to hold down this level of resistance here? I don't know. But right now they do have the ball. All right, let's get serious here because we are coming to that level now. Dun, 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 dun. I mean, maybe the first time around it could be a safe trade. But what if we just squeeze right through it? I probably should just be looking at the long side. I've been bullish the entire since yesterday. What do you guys think? Should we give the Bears a shot over here? Should we give him? Should I give him? Who's we, Leo? It's me. Should I give the Bears a shot? I don't know. I don't know if they deserve it. But it is Fresh Cash Friday, so we're just trying to nail the one trade and then get out of here. We're already 9 points up on the day. We need to get more, though. It is Friday. We need to use our greedy emotion and get some more on this. All right, all right, all right. We're going to get the Wheel of Fortune here coming up soon. We're going to come to hit this resistance, though. It's just, this is where the market kind of fools me, too. Like, I'm like, okay, if we're downtrending, this level needs to hold, right? So, but with likelihood, what might happen is we might just reclaim and start this massive squeeze back on up. So, I don't want to get caught on the wrong side here. I don't know what just happened, but my whole chart just refreshed. Three, two down. I mean, it's not even that much of a big drop. We're already recovering from the lows down there. I don't know. I'm kind of worried about shorting this thing. I think so. Hustler, watching his resistance level and waiting for some more prints. It is resistance sitting up here, you know, like I could give them a shot. I could give the Bears a shot, but I got this feeling that we're just going to squeeze back up. That was just the initial reaction there. And usually, not always, but usually the initial reaction onto big numbers like we just had is usually the trap. This thing is just trapping so much to the downside that the more it comes and does this and reclaims this levels and then pushes back up to the 30s, the 40s, the more it makes us believe we're getting closer to the breakout, leading towards the push towards the all-time highs, which would put us somewhere near the 6,056. We just don't leave these levels alone. Well, actually, no. What am I talking about? 6180. Look, call me crazy, but I don't know. This thing is a trap zone. Trappy zone. Looking at the daily, I mean the hourly, we are kind of building a little M here. So M. I mean, until it breaks down, I just don't know. You know what I mean? We need to break down. We're trying to. We're trying to. Could be the day today. Hopefully, if we are in short. Daily chart looks pretty congested, pretty coiled up inside these ranges. We've had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, about 14 days worth of action inside of this level here. So it's getting pretty used up. We are getting pretty close to the ultimatum, which is the breakdown. So we're trying it again. If we cannot break down completely, I think the Bears have completely dropped the ball from here and we likely squeeze to the highs. But we will see. We need to reclaim that level here first. I don't want to short 16. 16 I think is too early. It is too early. So what I'll probably do is I'm going to maybe consider taking the short there depending how we get there. And then, of course, if we reclaim that level, we can base out at that level. Then I'll be taking the long. So I'm not saying here I'm going to be flipping because I don't like flipping, but it's a key level. And therefore, that's why I'm saying that if we're below, I'm shorting. We're above, I'm long. So Basically, Wheel of Fortune, we need you more than ever. Okay? We need you to tell us a very clear answer. Are we gonna drop? Are we gonna go up? Or are we gonna chop? And she's calling for that's in the middle. I don't really want to give it to either or. It looked more towards the chop, but it's too close. Too close to call. All right, we got a pump. Very good. We got a double pump. Double pump. All right, double pump on the Wheel of Fortune. She could be right. I hope she's right. It's gonna be an interesting opening, though. We're right below a key level of resistance. Well, it was key level of support. We just broke down. Hustler short 15. All right, all right. I wish you luck. I mean that. I'm not like go choo choo train, dump choo choo train. Hustler's trying to get some more. You're still seeing those heavy sell prints coming in? Yeah. Not really heavy. Break even. That's all right. Break even is not bad. Keep that risk small. Yeah, I don't know if you're green already in the day. I think you might be. You already posted up some good trades on the community. Protect that green, baby green. All right, so this is the scary part here. Do I actually trust the Bears? I don't know, guys. I gotta tell you, I don't know. I think we might reclaim. We're gonna probably squeeze. If we reclaim this area, we go back up towards the 36, 42, 65, and so forth. The same levels of, the last couple of days. $1 million question is if this actually gonna ducking hold. I don't know, man. I like on a technical perspective, I should be shorting here. I should be leaving an order, resting order short here, and I should be looking for the push on down. On a technical perspective, price is king. I should be thinking about a short here, not a long. We're switching. Remember, this is new year, new me. We're not doing this whole I'm buying every little thing anymore. But kind of seems like that's what I've been doing recently. The last yesterday and I think the day before. But we've been getting in the green. So I mean, hey, it's been working. Even though I think that was on Thursday, I had like one red day, and then afterwards on the afternoon session, we recovered that, so it was good. One red morning, I would call it. All right, I'm gonna wait for the market to open up. 24.28 is resistance sitting up here, key level of resistance. Let me find out where do we close at. Why does it do that every time I go to regular hours? Oh, we got a nice juicy gap at 59.59. All right. On the 1 hour, you see so heavy pops. Yeah. Yeah, that's what I mean. It's difficult right now because based on price, I think this is a breakdown. We're attempting a breakdown. I should not be trying to long here. Any point this thing could come down. But it's okay. If I'm gonna short, I know it's up here. It's not here. It's for me personally, it's too up and down. You know what I mean? Like it could obviously work out, but it can obviously not work out. So I'm gonna sit tight, wait a little bit further. We're trending up anyway, so we're not trending, but like we're pushing back up. Might as well wait and get a better entry up here for me. Or we just reclaim that level and then we go up. We're kind of building a P here. Uh-oh. We're building a little P. I don't know how I feel about shorting into this P, but... I probably should have taken that long down here. I think I would rather side with the long still. Ducking bears, man. The more this continues to rally, I'm like, the less and less I'm in love with this resistance. Ooh, but it is Friday. We're wearing the lucky shirt, so anything is possible. Anything. We got 40 seconds till the market opens. We're up 9 points. Let's make it like, I don't know, 20 something points at least, 30 points. Come on. Come on, yes. Be nice to me. Dun, 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 dun. All right, 30 seconds till market opens. We need some good music here. All right, all right, all right. Market's about to open. We got 5 seconds left. Make sure you're ready. 28 resistance sitting up here, 24, 28. All right, all right, all right. Market's open for business. All right, so far getting stuck at 19. I am not shorting this still. I want a little bit higher, like 24, 28. But unfortunately, we only got to 21.75 there. We are technically on trade number 4 of the day, 2 from yesterday. So we'll leave those yesterday. So we're on trade number 2 on the day today here. All right, 19. We're bouncing from kind of 12 support. I'm not in love with longing 12. But if I am going to short 28, I could potentially take a long somewhere. Not here, but I'm saying somewhere, you know. All right, so the short idea up here kind of working so far, but again, we didn't get high enough for me to short there. I thought we would likely at least test 24, but we got stuck at 21.75. So right idea on the whole thing, but just price didn't go up to me, so I wouldn't have got filled. I'm not even going to try to front with you guys that I was going to short there. I was not going to short there, but what I do understand is that up here is an area where we could potentially have some issues. All right, coming back on down towards 5,900 here. Genius. Genius. So again, I was already long this area, so that's why I'm kind of also not too much in a rush to get long here. Shorted 10, got out of 5. For another, saw another heavy print. I like it, man. You're nailing those. You know what? 5 points and 5 points. People can talk bad about them. Even I might sometimes. But hey, 5 points adds up real quick. You know what I mean? Like, you do 4 of those, you got 20 points on your hands. Instead of trying to look for the big move, right? I mean, hey, whatever works for you. I'm happy for you though. Like, I mean, I would have probably not shorted 10. I'll be honest. I'm just, it, I know if I got short there, like, look, I would have held for too long. I don't like to take profit. I would have just gotten squeezed back out. So all right, all right. All right, they're not done with this. They ain't done. All right, so looks like we broke down this 1207 area. It's kind of a risky long from the 12 towards the 28, perhaps, but it does look kind of nice here. I like that move, actually. We got 19 sitting here, a little mild resistance. It's going to be a little speed bump, but I don't think it's going to hold. Come on, come. Maybe if you come down towards the 12, I might take it. Maybe. Come on down a little bit more, baby. I needed to come down a little bit. I think I'm going to stick with the long here, guys. I'm just not in love with the short idea. We'll see. We'll see. Okay, 12 breaking so far. All right. Let's go here. We're going to go break even quickly, though. I don't want to be risking too much here. All right, going to go break even. Ah, shit. As soon as I went up there with my order, it just went down. It's okay. Maybe it's for the best. I think I broke even on that. Yes, broke even. Let me find out here. Still don't know my name. 1225, 11. So I lost about a point there. I'm going to wait. 19, still acting up as resistance. Good thing I took it out there. It's okay. Back down towards 07. Don't know my name. I'm gonna let this thing base out. It does seem like we're now kind of chopping here. There's a lot of volatility too. Like, for example, if I was long 12, right? Look, we got down towards 08. That's a 4-point stop there. So my 3-point stop wouldn't have been respected anyhow. I think right now it's going to be a bigger stop kind of game. Which is unfortunate. I don't really want to think about having a big stop. Back down towards 12 here. All right, one last time here. Let's see if this 12 can do anything. Come on. I'm going to go break even already. Just push, baby. Just push. Just go. Don't do this to me. Don't. Oh my God. Another break even. Fudge. I gotta stay on top of it though, because the problem is we are still below that 28 level. So I understand that this is still a short area, but the problem is I think we might go back up there. So that's why I took those 2 break evens. Okay, break evens. Let's take a deep breath. You know, doesn't cost nothing besides a little mental effort. Sell prints coming in, been shorting. Yeah, it does look like that's why like I'm not really in love with the idea of shorting this here because by the time we get up there, I think we squeeze. But at the same time, I understand that this is a risky long game here. So I'm going break even on those two. I'm done with the longs for now. The short looks like that better play still. And the sell prints proving it, I guess. You're seeing sell prints, price going lower. It's okay, we got time. We got time. Dun, dun, dun. Dun, dun, dun. All right, coming back down towards 5,900. I am not going to long that because, well, why would I? I already longed it once. I got 16 points on it. And, I mean, this is already kind of a used up level here. Perhaps I should have shorted that 1920 area. You know, it does look like a nice short here. Obviously, in hindsight, right? I was looking for 24, 28 for a short. Let's go. Let me down easy. Let me down easy. Down. Dun, 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 dun. Oh, I forgot to do that. Did I not put it up? 5,900, holding like a champ yet again, putting in another trap at the bottom there. Get down, get. I'm scared along 5,900. As good as I see it bouncing and holding, but I don't know. I'm not at a. Yeah. All right, that's done. All right, come on, lucky shirt. Let's go to a lucky level. By the way, if you're not there, we do trade after the stream. I don't just trade on stream. We're always looking for some more key levels that come into play later on. If you are interested, it's a 100% free community. You can feel free to join the conversation there. 5,900 holding like a champ. Can we turn 07 into resistance now? 08. I don't know. Don't ask me. I'm not going to short it. And the answer is I would have gone break even. That's the answer there. Too much break evens. I'm just going to wait for that one big setup to come into play. Right now, this is not really a big setup. We're just consolidating after that. The flag. I mean, the breakdown. Yeah, skin. I was going to short, but I like 28 better. 28, 24. That was my area to short. We got up here to the 21. Still waiting. Still waiting. Oh, 07 holding nicely, actually. Perhaps could have taken that short there. Could have, would have, should have. Everything in hindsight. It's just so much easier, isn't it? Breakdown underway. Breakdown in progress. I don't know. This is I'm not really in love with this price action here right now. We just broke down. We're bouncing between 5,900 and I guess ultimately 12 here. Or 07. Very tight range. Up and down and all around. I was already long this 5,900. Got a nice 16-point mover of it. I'm not really in a rush to get into another trade here just yet. Damn. God. Let's take a look at bigger time frames. We have a 15-minute. I mean, it's just, I don't know. You could go either way here. We could easily dump. We could easily pump. Hourly, same thing. We could easily pump. We could easily dump here. I mean, it's just, I'm not in love with this level. I already played it. I'm happy to sit on the sidelines and kind of wait for the next big setup to come into play. 4 hourly chart basically telling me to hold on here because we could close at the low here. We could close at the highs here. I mean, it's just, yeah. I'm gonna wait. A nice move will come though soon. It looks like we're gonna break down 5,900 here right now. All right, breaking it down finally. Oh. I'm sitting tight. I'm watching this level down here. And I'm giving it all. Give it up. I don't know if you guys know that song. Meth Lab Sozo Sticker. I don't know. Just put in 7-horse Meth Lab Zozo. What a song. What a song. Especially when you're watching the charts. Just amazing. I got 10 of that last short. Amazing. Amazing. I applaud you because, I mean, look at it. It's Dump City and you're shorting it. I like it. Kind of looks like an M here as well. I mean, sort of. Not really. Nah, I wouldn't give that one an M. Giving it all. We just broke down this lows here. You can see the lows here of this wick. Not yet. Still too early for me to long here. Giving it all. Give it up. Dun, 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 dun. Give it up. Ooh. We'll see if we can flush these. I'm gonna bid it directly, but if we can flush it and reclaim, oof. Oof. But I'm gonna give it a bid directly. How to stop it? And I'm giving it all. Hustler, my goodness, man. How many points are you up on the day? Because I'm like, you keep nailing those like nice 10 5-pointers. It's gonna add up real quick. Freedom fighter. Get it all to you. All to you. I think 29. My goodness. You want to send some over here? Oh, I'm only up 8 now in the day. I gotta wait. Gotta wait for that nice setup. You know what I mean? That one nice one setup. Good job. I like it. I like it. Ooh. Ooh. You're long now of 90. My goodness. You're a champ. You're a champ. I'm gonna still wait. I like to buy just a little bit lower. Not quite there. For me, of course. Then wait. She passed me by, so. Oh, I like that. We're reclaiming this low here. I like it. We'll see. That's the low there. But like I said, I like this area much better here. But I like it. All right. You could be mine, oh mine, oh mine. Oh, +2. My gosh. Keep stacking it up, buddy. Keep stacking it. Let me show you a good time. Maybe we can enjoy life. How fun is this? Just sitting around waiting for price. Oh my gosh, it's going. What a dumpster fire that I'm willing to buy down here. Shit. Oh, come on. You were almost there. Oh, come on, yes. Come on. Come on, yes. Just un poquito para abajo. And then para arriba. Para abajo. Para abajo. I don't know if you guys know that song. Un poquito para arriba. Para arriba. Para arriba. Un movimiento sexy. You guys don't know that song? It's a catchy song, okay? It's a catchy song. It's like Spanish song. Suavecito para abajo. Para abajo. There you go. We're basing out a little bit here. I'm still not in love with it. I want to see this to come lower. We could trap below this level that I'm willing to buy. We'll see. $1 million question. Either way, I'm willing to buy down there. Come on. Para abajo. Para abajo. Talking about the short, though, we almost got that short up here. We were thinking more about 24. Unfortunately, the market had other plans. 21 being the high there. We already nailed that 16-point move from down here, so I was not in a whole lot of rush to be getting long there. I preferred getting long down here. Oh. Hustler going in and out of this thing. You're making ES pay you today. I'm still here waiting with my couple points green on the day, but I need more. Trick like magic. Come on down, baby. Come on down. We're almost there. Almost. I'll be watching 80. Of course, we could flush and then reclaim. I don't know what's going to happen, but if we can like flush, reclaim, that would be obviously the number one setup. But could go something like that too. We'll see. I don't know how your view is there, but I mean, it should be okay. If I make it too small, then I can't really see the entry because then the candles just print like too thick. Because I mean, I could see probably the candle here, but I mean, for me, this is a better view here like that. But then it's not as good for you guys. I'm about ready to long again. Oh my god. Hey, but look at this shit. It's starting to want to squeeze. Come on, man. We were right there. Yes, you serious? You couldn't do this for me. You couldn't come down here, scoop me up before returning and doing the pump. Come on. Not yet. Not yet. Don't do this yet. Spotify is putting some bangers today, this morning. My goodness. They know they just billed me. Like, literally 2 days ago, they just billed me. So that's why they're playing some good music. Because I was thinking about it the other day. I'm like, I don't know if I want to continue to pay for it. I mean, I think I need to be like listening more to audiobooks and, other things. But I'm like, I'll pay for it just for the streams. It was worth it. $27 they're charging now, 25, something like that, because I pay the family package, right? I got like, actually no, I can't cancel. I got music, my Sonos speakers and other things. I like to have the family account separate from my own, or else these kids they destroy my playlist. They destroy my, because Spotify will play music related to your music habits, and I'm definitely not listening to the kids' music. They got their own account when they're dancing with Spider-Man song. Come on, yes. Just calm down, baby. I mean, we are trending lower. I can't even complain. We're getting some moves to the downside here, but like look at it. We get the dump, and then we get the consolidation. I was gonna get short up here, but didn't come to me. Consolidating, the dump, consolidating now. So it's just as easy as it looks, it's also very difficult. I'm drinking too much. I've been thinking too much. I'm still not in love with longing down here. I want to see a little bit lower. We kind of have this bear flag shaping out here, I guess, too. Been thinking too much. Taking my time of my right, yeah. All right, we're consolidating quite a bit here. So now I'm debating about longing it directly because it's going to have some more momentum to come down if we do push lower. So I may want to wait and see. Let me cancel that. No, I wanted to cancel the order. Fuck. Unbelievable. I was drawing. See this thing? When I'm drawing, I can't cancel it. Are you kidding? Fuck. That's exactly what I was talking about just now. Little prick. I was going to wait for basically the drop and then the reclaim of the level. Mother ducker. Help me. All right. We got a little bit of a drop there. Oh my goodness. What's going on here? Is Top Step laggy for you guys? There's no way I got stopped out on that. There's no way. How was price even there? I think this is a sign. This is a sign. They're going to be hearing from me later though, because what? I got in and it stops me out and the price is right where I'm in at. How does that even make sense? Fudge. Give me a second. I'm going to have to refresh this chart. Hold on. It says I got to update it or something. Back into the Top Step account, but that's no good Top Step. What the fudge? It's got in long here and then it instantly stops me out and the candle is literally in the green from what I'm seeing. Fuck, what a mistake there I did. That was on me, man. I was still drawing. When you're drawing, you cannot move your order. What a duck. Straight dumpster fire. Either way, I would have taken the loss there, but still, I don't like how it happened. Fucking dumpster fire. They're breaking this thing down. I'm genuinely surprised. Fucking bears. Oh my god. What a sell, man. What a sell. Now we're only a little bit green on the day. Fuck. I might just walk. Get the nice point mover at 830 just to give it back. Fuck. Not 8 points, 16 points. This is why I should have just walked. I should have walked, guys. I'm like, it's little profit, but at the end, profit is profit. Now I'm here sitting pretty much at break even. I'm like, oh my god, I gotta do it all over again. It's okay. First been paying, yeah. They took the long worked out for me at the opening, but then they obviously took my profit back, so they have been working out. And it's not like I wasn't gonna short, I was. It's just not. I don't like shorting in these levels. I like shorting like at the back test of that 28, for example. It looks like we're not back testing it today, so we'll leave it for another day, I guess, and I'll remember about it. That is a key level now in the market. Key level. What a ducker. Duck. Fire in my soul. The bear flag thing there. I should have waited for that pop back on up. I'm not leaving the orders setting anymore when I'm drawing. New rule I just created for myself. If you have an order, a resting order, do not be drawing on the chart. Alrighty, yes. Now I need something. Like we gotta get some trap below here. Something. What a dump, man. From the 90. This candle printed all the way to the 68. What a candle. Off. 5, 4, 2, 1. Straight down, straight down. Oh my gosh, straight down. Good, very good. If you're short, I applaud you. I can't short 64, you know what I mean? I'm not gonna chase this thing to the short side here. There's no way. If I didn't short up here, the bear flag, if I didn't short up here, the resistance at 19, well, I mean, fuck. I'm not gonna short down here at the 63. Too FOMO. This thing could pop. A lot of volatility. 3-point stop is not gonna be respected. All right, we're gonna try the last long here down there at the 50s. Perhaps 52, maybe? Let's go now. All right, coming down towards 55. I'm not really in love with 55, but good bounce from there. I kind of like a little deeper still. Come on, just go. I don't want to wait anymore. I want to know my fate on a Friday. Just go down. Come on. Da, 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 da. Got my bail. Are you saying you're short from the 60? Or 42 short? You're shorting at the 60? You shorted that? Oh, come on, man. Not fucking 55. Fuck sakes. Calm down towards the 52 area. Short's paying the bills today. Should have taken that 19 short, guys. I should have taken it. I would have been so done with this day. Could have, would have, should have. Hindsight. Look. We went to 21 and a quarter. I wanted to short 24. Ugh. Come on, ES. This thing better not be lagging now, too. All right, there you go. Trying to break down 55. Come on. Come on, yes, come on. I gotta leave ES. Come on. Not leaving break even on a Friday. Fuck that. We're leaving red. We're leaving green. No, we're not. We're gonna go break even soon. I'll leave break even on a Friday. It's okay, but upsets me a little bit. I have to get back profits. Why? Why do I long this shit? Why, I can tell you because of my short entry here. It never came, and then, I'm not really in the mood to chase. Because this dumpster fire doesn't come every day, you know what I mean? We could have easily bounced right back from there. But hey, today it didn't. Didn't. What is from another thing? Come on. And this sale does not come because of a bear flag here, okay? You need to understand that this doesn't come from this. This comes from a major level failing this morning, which is a key level 24, 28. Fails. This in general should have kept me on the downside, looking for the short, and I was just up here, not here. This is the shorting area here, right here. My stop, unfortunately, is only 3 points. So either way, I would have gone taken out if I short here. Would have probably been taken out there. That's why I like here. I like my levels there. I make a plan. Whatever outcome comes from it, makes no difference. The more scrutiny. Dude. Which has got there to 52. Of course, I wasn't watching. Come on, now I kind of want to see this thing lower. We're bouncing already from 52. La, 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 la. Come on, ES. You're not done yet. I was just talking about how I like 52 better. My gosh. You're shorting these pops. Hey, it's paying you pretty well so far. Can't argue with you, you know what I mean? I applaud you. But I did just talk about 52. I liked it down there. I was, of course, not watching the charts, and then I kind of missed that 52 entry there. Back towards the 57, 58. If this thing squeezes right from 52, I'm going to lose it now. Oh my god. 52, either way, still not even 10 points, so probably get sold again. Watch, man. Fridays are supposed to be easy and short, not long and fucking break even. But it could be worse. It could be worse. I'll admit it could be worse. We were just talking about that 52. We're getting a little bounce from there. I'm not saying that's the bottom, but I mean, could have, would have, should have taken it. I was fucking looking at the top there. Hustler shorting the pops. Been paying out well so far. Every pop gets sold. My 52 long, man. What a beautiful long there. Just this is why I sometimes think that like, fuck. The stream, I'm focusing on other bullshit trying to justify some trade. There it goes from the 52, literally bounced right from the freaking 52 there. Almost to the 62, 10 points. Fuck, man. Ugh. I don't blame you guys. I'm not blaming you. I'm blaming me. I'm blaming me because I try to like talk back, try to justify why I didn't short or something. I should just be looking at the candles at the price. 52 from the 63. Could have, would have, should have. Would have been probably lock in profit around there. Fuck me. Now that we're bouncing, I'm not long. Lucky shirt. What the fudge? You're supposed to be my lucky shirt. Lucky shirt. You're not helping me today. Why'd you make me miss my 52 entry long, huh? Why? The moment I don't have a resting order, the fucker bounces. When I had a resting order, I couldn't cancel it. Ah, she's squeezing from the 50 freaking 2. Fuck. No. All right, we got 66 resistance there. Could it be a good short? I think, fuck me. I think I missed my entry long. That's what I think. Fuck. The more it goes up, I'm like, are you kidding, man? Are you kidding? Fuck. Now if I go shorting around these levels, I'm gonna fucking get stopped. I gotta go, yes. Give me something. Something else now. 52 already works, so. Oh, yeah, guys. Fuck. I should have left the resting order there, or I don't know why I gotta talk back about stupid trades. We could get denied here. We could get rallying from here. I have no idea. Popping back above 66. I told you guys save those numbers January 1st. 58.66. Look where we're at. We're at 66. Why didn't I long 52? Fuck, why did I like this is why I think that sometimes I'm too unfocused on the streams because I'm like trying to talk to certain things and yeah. I'm here trying to blame the stream. Well, I mean, fuck. Yeah, look at that fucking 52 long down there. That's exactly where I said I liked there. Why did I get long at the 55 reclaim there? Fuck, man. When it's not your day, I guess it's just not your day. We had profit to give it all back with this fucking dump. I don't like break evens. I told you guys, it triggers me. I don't know why it triggers me to be break even. I'd rather just, I've had one losing day the whole year so far. Which we got back in the afternoon, but still, I just don't like break evens. Like, it pains me to know that I could have been long 52. I could have been short fucking 24, but we never quite got there. We only got to 21.75. So the key levels are there, but then they're diddling in the middle. And then you diddle in the middle, and you find out. So I found out. Except this 78, you know, like this 80 here, that was a proper trade. It just flushed. It is what it is. It's fine. But that was just the one loss I needed to take. All right. 78 resistance now. If we can get up there, maybe it's worth a short. But now, like, look, it's squeezing, right? I know if I take this fucking short here. Oh, where was this line? I forget where it was. 74, 75. Oh my god. Look at this squeeze. If I take this short, I think I'm gonna get blown out. So I'm probably just gonna wait. I'm gonna wait and see if we reclaim that area. I'll be long. You know, if we can base out or something, then I can't long here. It could easily fail. You might think like, well, see, I'm here trying to justify the trade. I'm already about to draw. No. Dun, dun, dun. Problem is, if I get long, you know, we could get denied here. That's the problem here. And can't really short here because you can clearly see I'm not going to be first in line to be shorting after 6 green candles in a row. 78, 80 level is resistance now. If we reclaim that level, I don't know what I'm going to do. I don't want to get faked out either, though. I've gotten faked out a lot of times where, you know, we get back here and then we get denied one time and then we kind of go back. So it's always that $1 million question. Do you get in just because we're above, or do you wait for it to base out? The correct answer is, I think that you should wait for it to base out. Problem is that depending on how large the squeeze is, we might just rally. And sometimes it won't even back to us. We'll see. We got stuck at 76, 75 for now, so there's no need to be talking about a scenario that has not happened yet. And even there, like, even if we start dumping here, I would have not taken this short. I like 78, 80 level in order for me to be short. I do not like 76. I'm very particular. But we just need one trade, you know, one trade to get ourselves in a nice green today, and that's it. That's all I'm asking for, yes. We already had it, I know, but then we got greedy. We decided to stay. We bought the dump, and then, you know, this is what happens. Now, I'm at break even for the day. I'm green, but because I took 2 losses yesterday of 6 points, I'm technically break even now. Da, da. I mean, if I think we're gonna reclaim the level, I could be long here, but it's too risky. We could easily fail here. It's too risky. And then you might say, well, longing 74, if you think it's risky, longing 78 is riskier, is it not? Well, the thing is, we're right under resistance right now, in my eyes. When we're above resistance, I like it better. I don't know if we're actually going to reclaim 78. I have no idea, right? As simple as it is to be like, yeah, of course it's going to go, right? I just don't know. We could get denied here. All right, 78. We have just tapped 78. It could be a short. If I was going to short, that's probably the entry I wanted there. 78. And then if this thing dumps now from 78, Antonio's going to send on the community later on. Take the ducking short. I'll see. I'm going to wait for a reclaim. Possible reclaim coming up. So far, 78 working out just fine as resistance. I hope it doesn't dump now, because then Antonio's going to send it. I can see it. He's going to send it. The Warren Buffett, he's going to send it. I don't know why you haven't taken already. I know I should have taken that 78 short. Look, I would have been at break even, riding with nice profit already. So far, look how perfect it got stuck there. Look at it. Literally, it got stuck right there. I still like the long side better though, I'll be honest. I don't know why. It just, hey, if I was gonna short, I said it would have to be up there. 74. Look, I'm gonna try this fucking long here. I think we might squeeze right through. Be careful, this is resistance. I'm longing right under resistance here. Not the best of wisest of my ideas, but if this thing can have some leg and some strength to rally, hopefully we can make it happen here and get a nice short squeeze going for the first short squeeze of the day. All right. We're at 78, 80. We could get denied here hard. Be careful. Be careful. I'm trying to play it out early here. Be cautious, you know, exercise your own. This is entertainment purposes only, but all right, yes, it's time to fucking get in the green now, baby. Reclaim that 80. Let's fucking squeeze, baby. Squeeze. We're done with your bullshit. Just don't close below 78. Close above 78. All right, I like how it closed above 78, but the Bulls are still not in control here. They do need to get going above 80. We could be hitting resistance. We could get denied here. This whole area is resistance here. It's not just 78, you know, it's the area in general here. This area. You take your pick. I'm on the long side. You want to take the short, you know, it's up to you. Just, you know, don't criticize me for it later. Fine, you can criticize me for it later. Well, Antonio's gonna send me that picture. If this thing dumps, he's gonna send me the picture. And then I'm gonna have to swallow it. Oh, shit. He's gotta be like, take the ducking short. Oh, please hold, yes. Please just hold. Hold, baby, hold. Hold, baby, hold. Let's go. Let's squeeze 78, 80. Let's reclaim. Let's push back up towards this 90 level, please. I'll be adding if we can get going past this boxy here. Go, 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 go. Don't hesitate here. We need to go. We need to go. No hesitation, baby. Just moving up. This is resistance there. If this thing dumps, I'm okay with swallowing the loss. You know, don't be here. I'm saying that not to you guys. There's always that somebody that's going to be like, well, if it was resistance, why didn't you short it? Well, I mean, lucky short. I'm wearing my lucky short. Okay, I think we're going to blow right through this resistance. Oh my gosh. Let's make it happen, yes. All we got to do is break through this 82 now. Please, don't get stuck here. Don't get stuck here. Don't get stuck here. Just go, baby, go. I think we were in for a squeeze here. Oh, shit. It's getting stuck. No. Feeling it, feeling right, 2 a.m. Don't me slow my rolls. Oh, come on. Yes. We were so close. All we had to do was squeeze out of that top of that box there. 82. We were so close. And it looks like resistance is holding up for now. Again, you don't need to guess, if this thing dumps. Well, I knew it was resistance, right? But if we reclaim this resistance, if we can reclaim it, I think we're in for a nice fucking squeeze. All right, all right, all right, all right. There we go. Up 10 points now in the day. Yes. 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 Ah, shit. Now we're going to let this baby print. You know that saying, it's not over until I win? That's how I feel about the market. It ain't fucking over until I win, mother ducker. Mother ducker. All right, let me see if I can add some here. If we can get a nice little pullback. I still got to be careful, but... Wait a second. Wait a second. We might need to base out, so I'm going to cancel this order. Just in case we need to kind of, diddle around more. I don't want to be in too heavy yet. I don't want this to be a trap either. We got to base out here. I don't want to see this as a trap. Fuck, just smelling trappy now up there. Fuck. You can see that there. Bulls got to hold 78 on the lowest here. Oh my god, they're going to want to dip one more time. Fudge. Fudge. I don't want to go break even. I don't want to go break even. No. Just hold 78. Hold 78. Shit. Fuck, man. They closed right under 82 now. That is not good news for me. 80. All right. I added another one there. I'm going to go break even already. I don't want to be... Come on, man. Don't break me even. Just go. Fuck it. We're going to risk our standard right there. We're going to take profit one here at 686. Come on, ES. Just go. Go, baby. Go, go, go. I think you can do it. I think you can pull off 86 out of the hat. I think you can do it. We'll take one out at 86 and we'll leave that runner going. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Oh, I'm getting more greedy there. I'm going to go 88. Let's go 88 on the first one here. Come on, squeeze, baby. Fucking squeeze. Squeeze, baby. Oh, come on. Just go, baby. Go. Go, 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 go. Go, rabbit. Go, go. Go, choo-choo train. Go, choo-choo train. Go, choo-choo train. Take me out at 88. Come on. Take the first one out at 88. Go, choo-choo train. Go, choo-choo train. Go. Squeeze it. Squeeze it. Come on. You're so close. Come on, babes. Just go. I don't want to even look. I'm not going to look. I don't want to look. Come on. Give it to me. Give it to Papa. Give it to Papa. Give it to Papa. And, oh, getting stuck there. Fuck. Come on, go. Go. 88. 88, go. 88, go. Getting stuck at 86 there. Oh, come on. 88 is sitting right there. Just give it to Papa. Come on. Uh-oh. All right, we're going, we're going, we're going. Come on, come on. One more push. One more push. 88 is sitting right there. Come on, yes. Just one more, man. One more little push. Look at that. I don't even understand how I didn't get filled there. I was looking for 88. Got 87.75. Oh my god, this is getting scary now. Come on, 88 is right there. All right, all right. Getting stuck here at 86. I might lock one in. I don't know. I like 88, to be honest. Come on, squeeze, baby. Just fucking squeeze. Squeeze! Squeeze! Squeeze and filled! Fucking filled! My god. Was that so hard? Shit. Nine. I think we still might have some more downside here, so I'm gonna be cautious here. For 2 minutes. I wanna get numb. All right, runners activated. Long 78, failed 82. LL, nice. It's failed, baby. We're back in the green. All right, now I can walk away in peace. It's Fresh Cash Friday. We got the lucky shirt. All we had to do was wait and be patient. What a gorgeous trade. Not the best, but I mean, hey, fuck. All that matters is that I'm green. I'm up over 20 points now in the day. I'm going to let this baby go. Actually, no, I'm not up 20 points. 838. And yeah, I'm up over 20 now. It's not over until I win, baby. All right, so we're going to let this baby print now. I don't really have a take profit for this. Yeah, so there's no need to get out. Like, look at this. We're reclaiming this area. We just bounced right from support. Why am I going to get out? Look at that. The high of that wick was 88. Right there. 88. I literally took profit right where I had to. Oh, and runner looks like it's already coming back down. I'm definitely not going to get back. I want to leave my stop here, but I'm worried about some potential drops here. It could be forming a P. I don't know. It kind of looks like a little bit of like a P here. Nah, I'm gonna leave this thing go. I'm gonna let it roll go. It's okay. I'm at peace now. I'm back in the green. I'm pretty good at happy green now, so I can just let this be. I don't care what happens with this. And there you go. You guys see, this is another example that I took some losses getting into the stream, and then with that one trade, it's just I'm already back in the green. I'm pretty happily in the green now, and I mean, that's what trading is about. Being in the green, you know, you're not gonna win every trade. I of course didn't need to take those stupid losses, but hey, it is what it is. Like I said, I play my game the way I know how to play it. The way in the end, ultimately, I win, but all right, I'm going to leave this thing here. I am not going to move my stop. I'm going to leave it where it's at. I do need to go. So I'm going to leave this on stream right now. I am not going to move this stop. This stop is going to stay on this runner right here at the 77.25. So I'm either going to get stopped out or this choo-choo train is going to pump and reward me with something for the rest of the day. I have no take profit. Okay, I want to make that very clear. I have no take profit. I will watch it as I go because I need to leave right now. So, you know, it's either stop out or, I don't know, as high as it wants to, I guess. So, fine. It looks like we might conclude this trade here on stream. So, we'll stay a little bit more just in case it does end up stopping me out on the runner there. At least we get to witness the end of it. So beautiful, beautiful overall though. We got ourselves the 16-point trade this morning, getting ourselves back into the green from the 6-point losses I took overnight, or 2 trades, 3-point stops each. And yeah, we get back some profits trying to buy this dip here, or trying to buy some major supports along the way down. Didn't work, and then we did catch this nice long here currently. We are on a runner already. We locked one in at 88, which is, I'm just gonna wait and see what's gonna happen here. So we are sitting at support here. This is support for now. This is why my stop is right under it. If we break back under it, I mean, there's a good chance we likely, you know, rally down and go break the lows. That's why my stop is under a level of support. I'm not gonna put it here because this is still support for me. I'm gonna put it under. Anyways, we're probably gonna chop here. I waited, but I do need to leave, so you guys know it. 77.25. Look, I'm even gonna go 77. It's either 77. Whoops. It's either 77 stop out, or we're gonna continue to rally. I am leaving this on all day. Well, no, maybe not all day. If we get up to something like pretty ridiculous, I will lock it in. But back in the green, like I said, this is just kind of consolidating here. I like how I took profit there at 88, though. Look at that. We got the knife right there. Like that, I can feel free. You know, I don't need to be worried about the fact that I'm still long, too. I can just let this runner go. It wasn't support, but a fair value gap that helped. Let's agree to disagree then, my friend. You got a fair value gap, which I applaud you if you trade it using that. I trade what's called support and resistance, meaning I go into big time frames. I draw these good old lines from like months in advance or weeks in advance, and then I trade that. I couldn't care less about fair value gaps, trend lines, Fibonacci's, pretty much anything you want to say. I don't know. It could be a fair value gap. I guess it was a fair value gap, but However you see the market, I applaud you. You know. I had to go, but this is getting juicy now. Oh my god. This is my runner too, by the way. Oh yes. Hold until 21,193. I don't know. I mean, that's an NQ number, I guess. You're trading NQ. We're trading ES. But you are welcome to, of course, trade NQ. And if any of you don't know, we do trade, well, I trade support resistance, and we do have a free 100% free. You're never going to be charged anything. Free community there. You can feel free and join. And of course, that is not a Discord where I'm going to be sending you, trades where I'm long or short. I do that, but I use it like as a personal journal. And it's more a community, a genuine community of traders that are trying to grow, help each other, and share ideas. That is what that is for. So if you're interested, the link is pinned to the chat. This is what I mean. Like, so let's kind of recap here. It's hard to get long here anticipating this kind of reclaim of a previous support. It is. But once this happens, once we reclaim a level of support that basically has sold, because you can see there, we sold right straight through it. We get back above to this level. We try to reclaim it and then boom, back going up. But I was taking a long down here, right? But the idea is, yes, somebody's going to say the bull flag, whatever flag. We trade price. I trade price. Okay, price is king to me. I don't care what type of pattern, fair value gap, Fibonacci retracement. I'm not trying to throw shit at you or anybody. I'm just saying I like support resistance for this particular reason, that when I'm trading bull flags or anything in general, I don't really know where to take profit besides, I guess, when it pulls back, or if you have a target, I guess might be up here. I mean, I don't know. I just like support resistance. It works much better for me. All right, dude. I do gotta walk though. I gotta go. I need to go. I gotta do something. Like I said, I'm gonna leave this going. I have no take profit on this unless we get maybe to like that 5,900. I'll watch what price does there. But I do gotta go. I'll be on the go. Pulling back here so far. As long as this support here holds, I'm happy to continue to hold this with my runner. My runner is the job of the runner is to basically find out how much more this move has. So I'm gonna walk away. Thank you all for tuning in. It is Fresh Guys Friday. It was a roller coaster ride for me, but in the end, if you're wearing your lucky shirt, you have faith, you trust your strategy, well then you will ultimately get in the green. You know what I mean? So I'm gonna walk away now. You know where my stop is at. You know where my mentality with this trade is at. And of course, if you want to see the conclusion to it, well then you can join the community. It will be posted up there for sure. So peace. Have a good weekend. Enjoy it.